Okay, yes. Tell me about your invention. What's the name of this?
The name of this is,
Look at mommy, honey.
I can't read.
The Star Boomer.
The Star Boomer.
This is the Star Boomer by Olivia Megan Will. She's on the red team, right, babe? So you put the ball up there and then it rolls. Okay, show me. That is too cool.
And you can't go for the back one anyway. Okay. That was
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Okay, show me one more time.
my ball again.
Are you rolling it too hard?
Well, kind of. It keeps
Okay,
going down.
that's okay.
Oh.
Okay, I Can Invent Workshop.
I'm gonna put it back, Mommy.
Okay, put it back.
And
Okay. Now what? Tell me. Now tell me that was Sludge City. That was your Sludge City, right?
yeah.
Tell me more about it. This was Olivia's Sludge City, and she took her apartment building away, but they had to fix it and clean the river. Where's the river you were telling me about that you had to clean? What is this?
Our poster of what?
Your poster of Sludge City. Why are there three? Is this the very first one you did?
Yeah, we were talking about what?
So that's her first poster, and then her second poster, and then the third poster. Okay, say bye to the...
And this is another poster that we did in the class.
Talk to the camera, baby.
This is another poster that we did in the classroom. And here's the poster we did about Sludge City to make it better. We made an airport. See, that's an airport. And there's a playground, and a house. We can take this home. And a hospital. We got all kinds of things we can do.
Excellent.